In this video, we are going to give you a complete full-body, home workout routine, with all sets and reps included, to help you to build muscle and burn fat. The workout is a combination of 16 exercises that need to be performed without any rest. Each exercise should last for a minute. Perform 2 more sets after giving a rest of 2 to 3 minutes. Let's start now.
Sex in the morning. She don't really care, and she like it like that. She want me to own it, so I give her what she want and she throw it right back, like grab her by the waist. Baby, what's my name? She say, daddy, don't do me that way, but I'm about to rock your body right. Alright, get up on it, come ride this pony. Jump around, yeah. You know you got that good and I want it. Come on, baby, let me get a little taste. I'm good at turning you out. No turning back with her now, girl. I'm about to rock your body right. Alright. Wake up, girl, it's morning time. I got that breakfast that you like. Oh. Wake up, girl, it's morning time. I'm about to rock your body right. Girl, I hear you moaning. Love the way it sounds, talk to me like that. Tell me how you want it. Baby, whisper in my ear, don't be holding nothing back. Say, grab me by the waist, baby, call my name. She said, daddy, come and give it to me. Girl, I'm about